So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset Comfee Dishwasher, control reset, error clear and restart. So perform a basic control panel reset. A quick control reset can clear temporary glitches or frozen button on the dishwasher panel. Press and hold the start pause button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the light turn off or the unit stop running. Wait a few seconds, then press power to turn the dishwasher back on and start a new cycle. Second one is power cycle the dishwasher. If the control reset does not work, try restarting the appliance by disconnecting power. Turn the dishwasher off, unplug it from the wall outlet and leave it without power for 10 minutes. Plug it back in, turn the unit on and check if the control panel responds normally. Third is clear error codes. Some Comfy dishwashers stop working when an error code appears on the display. Cancel the current wash cycle by pressing and holding the start or stop or cancel button for a few seconds until the machine stops draining or reset. After the error clears, select a new wash program and start the dishwasher again. Fourth is restart the wash cycle. After resetting or clearing error, you can start the dishwasher again. Close the door firmly, choose the desired wash program and press start or pause. The dishwasher should begin the cycle normally if the issue was only a temporary system fault. Fifth is check whether supply and door lock. If the dishwasher still will not restart, make sure the water supply valve is open and the door is fully closed and the filter is clean. A loose door latch or blocked filter can sometimes prevent the dishwasher from running even after a reset. Thank you.